Hello, my name is Mauro Mosca and I am the Dean of the Electronics and Telecommunications Engineering program of the University of Palermo, UNIPA. This program is fully online and now I would like to provide you with information regarding enrolling in our degree program at the University of Palermo as a non-European Union student residing abroad. First of all, let's have a look to some important deadlines. The most important is the application submission to the UNIPA student portal before July 15th. The registration could be done at the page UNIPA Student Portal. The website is imaweb.unipa.it/ins_anag/ins_generale.sim?lang=en. Here you see a screenshot of the web page. Please go to the International Student section and click the button Continue and follow the instructions. Don't you like this procedure? So, optionally go to the main web page of the University of Palermo, www.unipa.it. Then click to ENG for English language or choose your preferred language. Now you will automatically be redirected to the International Students page. Click on the Student Enrollment link and follow the instructions. Please remind the deadline. Your application must be submitted within the 15th of July 2023. In order to present your admission request application, follow the instruction you will find at the following link. To be admitted to a master degree, you must receive an admission letter from the degree coordinator. That's me. This can be done through the UNIPA student portal, submitting a master student admission request application, uploading the following documents: a valid passport, a passport photo, well, not just like this one, of course, a copy of your bachelor degree, a copy of the transcript of records, an official language certification, ELTS or Cambridge or other ones, B2 level or higher, or a medium of instruction certificate from your institution, and finally your CV. Upon reception of the application, the documentation will be preliminarily validated by the administrative office. Then your academic records will be evaluated by the course coordinator. In order to apply for a visa, you must submit an application through the Universitali site. Universitali is the portal for those students wishing to obtain more information about the higher education system in Italy. Registration and filling up of the pre-enrollment form on the portal will be compulsory for international students in need for a visa. First step is the registration. Please open the web page www.universitali.it/index.php/registration and click the button Join Now. Now, submit your application to Universally, uploading the same documents seen earlier, with just two differences. CV is not requested, and the transcript of records must be legal translated. If you're accepted and receive a positive response on the Universally portal, you can apply for a university student visa at the Italian consular diplomatic mission in your country of residence. You must complete all the necessary procedures to obtain a student visa before 30 of November 2023. To enroll, you have to submit an enrollment application on the student portal. Please follow the instruction in the tutorial you can find at the link above. After the submission and being admitted conditionally, you will be contacted by the course coordinator, that's me, to complete the personal knowledge interview. Passing this interview will give you full rights to enroll at UNIPA. Congratulations! To conclude your enrollment application, we have the last two steps. First, proceed with the payment of the enrollment fees in order to finalize your enrollment at the University of Palermo. Furthermore, when you arrive in Italy, you must provide the following documents to the International Students Office, located in Viale delle Scienze, building number 3, first floor, at your earliest convenience. Just 3 documents to provide: your original university degree translated into Italian or English and legalized. Second, only one of the following documents in original: Declaration of Value, GOV, issued by the competent Italian consular section, or Statement of Comparability from CIMEA, which is the Information Center on Academic Mobility and Equivalence. Its website is www.cimea.it/en/ or Diploma Supplement. Remind just one among these 3 possible documents. And finally, 3, your original academic transcript of records issued by your university, translated into Italian or English and legalized by the competent Italian consular section. Please ensure you submit these documents as soon as possible after arriving in Italy. That's all. We are waiting for you soon at UNIPA. Vi aspettiamo in UNIPA. Ciao!